My name's Allie Wergen. I'm the dietitian with Mayo Clinic Health System in New Prague. And with me is Trevor Scott, our chef. And today we're going to be talking about healthy eating for one or two. And so really I'll kind of get started, and Trevor's going to take it over with the cooking demo. And hopefully you've all been able to try a little bit of it. It's super yummy. So really the reason that it's important to really keep that good nutrition in mind throughout our lives is that good diet does provide the essential nutrients that we need. It can help us maintain a healthy weight and also help us manage those chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. The problem is sometimes preparing those healthy meals for one or two, especially when we are used to making meals maybe for 4 or 6 or 8 in the family, can be a little difficult. So instead of really turning to those leftovers and frozen dinners, I'm going to highlight just some simple tips on how you can cook healthy for one or two. So one thing to keep in mind is you want to stock your pantry. Keep canned vegetables, beans, fruits on hand for quick and healthy additions to your meals. Make sure that too, when you have those canned products, that you rinse them and you'll get some of that salt off of there. You want to take advantage of that freezer. You can buy in bulk and then separate them in individual portions, not only to save money, but you'll also have those products on hand whenever you may need them. Fruits, veggies, breads, meats, all those things freeze really well. Also, an idea is to prepare one-dish meals. And this can really help for quick and simple cooking. Can choose a dish that serves as that whole meal. So look for dishes that include a meat, beans and legumes, a whole grain like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, whole wheat bread, and also of course that good variety of those veggies in there. Also, an easy thing to do is cook a batch of food and then you can freeze it in individual portions later. So you're almost making your own little TV dinner, but of course you know what's actually in it and that it's healthy. Things like casseroles, soups, and stews, they do great in the freezer and are really easy just to take out and prepare just a small portion for yourself. One thing to keep in mind is you always want to date the product when you put it in there and kind of rotate it. So make sure that you take that product that is in there furthest or has been in there the longest, take it out first so you don't all of a sudden have something stuck in there for a long time. Also too, and this is going to be kind of going off of what Trevor's going to be doing, is cook once and use twice. So with some of those products that you have, for example, maybe you make some rice. You can use that rice as a side dish one time and then maybe a little later use that brown rice in a casserole or a stir fry. Same thing goes for chicken. If all of a sudden you bake a chicken, you can have that for dinner and then all of a sudden put the chicken in maybe a sandwich or wrap or even a salad or soup. So just kind of trying to utilize those products and make the best meals out of them that you can. So really, with that, I'm going to hand it over to Trevor.